we are going to continue the lesson by the grammar. So now I wanted to teach you how to conjugate a verb at the present tense. Because yes, in French we need to conjugate our verbs. Let's start. Before to show you how it works, I wanted to show you the personal pronoun in French. Here, je, it means I, tu, it means you, il, it means he, nous, we, vous, you, il, they. So, all you need to know is here, in this table. All you need to know about the present tense in French and how to conjugate verbs. Okay. In French, you know, we classify our verbs in 3 different groups. The group number 1 are all the verbs ending with er. Actually, it's the infinitive of the verb ending with er. Here, the group number 2 are all the verbs with the infinitive ending with ir, like choisir, it means to choose. And for the group number 3, all the verbs, the infinitive of the verbs, are ending with re, like vendre, which means to sell. Okay, parler, it means to speak. We saw it in the vocabulary. So, what do we do to conjugate the verb parler, that is a verb in the first group? We just remove the er and we have this part. You see this part in black. And then what we do is we just add the conjugation for the first group. So e, es, ons, ez, ent. So we conjugate it like that. Je parle, tu parles, il parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle. We do the same with the verb choisir, except we remove ir and we add the conjugation for the second group. Je choisis, tu choisis, il choisit, nous choisissons, vous choisissez, ils choisissent. And for the verb vendre, we just remove the re part here and we just add s, ons, etc. We add the conjugation for the first group and it will be like that. Je vends, tu vends, il vend, nous vendons, vous vendez, ils vendent. Okay, so it's very important. You need to memorize this table. It's all what you need when you conjugate verbs at the present tense. Okay, here we have an example. So we want to conjugate the verb aimer. So we see that the infinitive is ending with er. So it belongs to the first group. So to conjugate it, we remove er. So we have this part. And we just need to add the conjugation from the first group. Hop, that's simple. So it's j'aime, tu aimes, il, elle aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, ils, elles aiment. That's simple. I have some exercise, so if you want to do it alone, you can pause the video now, because we are going to do it now, to correct it now. Okay, Thomas aimait la France. So we just saw it, aimer, ending with er, so we know it belongs to the first group. Thomas is the equivalent of il, so we just add the conjugation from the first group, and we have aime. So Thomas aime la France. Because if you don't conjugate it, Thomas aimait la France, it's not correct. But Thomas aime la France. Next one. Tu apprendre le français. Apprendre, ending with RE. RE, we know it's in the group number 3. Tu, so we add S. Tu apprends le français. Nous aider Thomas à faire les courses. Aider, it's like aimer, ending with ER. Group number 1. Nous, so we add the conjugation ONS, nous aidons Thomas à faire les courses. And the last one, aimer, we saw it already 3 times. So we remove ER and we add I. J'aime beaucoup Paris. So I know the conjugation in French are a bit confusing because you are not used, most of you are not used to conjugate verbs, but you need to memorize. You need to memorize and practice. At the beginning, it's very slow. You are doing it very slow. But then you will improve and do it much faster. You don't have to worry. We will have a lot of exercise in the course where we need to conjugate verbs.